Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to remove the lower and upper spray arms on your Bosch dishwasher. Then we'll give them a good clean and then we'll put them back in again. If you want to give your Bosch dishwasher a really good clean, there's a link above now about how to do that. First of all, remove the lower basket, and this gives you access to the lower spray arm. And to remove the lower spray arm, all you do is literally just lift it upwards and it pops out. Now the upper spray arm, you've just got this small locking nut here. If you turn that anti-clockwise as you're facing it, about 25 degrees, and it just pops downwards. Now just take a wooden toothpick and just any bits of food or debris in any of these holes on each side of the arm, just poke around there and just give that a really good clean. This one's in pretty good condition. This is the lower spray arm, do exactly the same with that. Get rid of any food debris, any mould. And then what you do is put the hot tap on and just put some hot running water into that funnel in the middle and just make sure that all the holes are nice and free. This just clears it out of any bits of food debris. Just make sure all of those are flowing nice and freely. Do that with the lower spray arm and also the upper spray arm. What you can also do with the upper spray arm is you can remove this central nut here. It literally just slides out, and you can give that a really good clean under some hot running water. This one's actually in pretty good condition. To pop that back in, it literally just slides inwards like this, and this can now go back in. Now we'll put the lower spray arm back in. That literally just pops downwards. Give it a quick spin. This is spinning freely. The upper spray arm, just push it up into that hole. Then turn that locking nut clockwise 25 degrees. It should just lock into place. Again, give it a quick spin. Remember to put the lower basket back in. Talking of baskets, there's a link above now about how to adjust the height of the upper basket on this Bosch dishwasher. Useful if you've got some bigger utensils that need to go in the top. And I tell you what, that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.